Good morning, it's a beautiful day. I've organised to go hiking with a couple of friends. We're going to drive over to Amalfi with our scooters and go explore in one of the valleys there. We're heading to what we call the Jurassic Valley. It's been a secret for a long time, but I think by now the secret's out. I didn't want to film this because I don't want people to know about it, but unfortunately it's like the beach in Thailand. Everybody knows. And we have arrived in Amalfi. This is Gloria and Fabrizio. They've just got back from Thailand. In the Industrial Revolution, Amalfi was producing a lot of iron, and it had a lot of iron factories up in the valley. That's where we're going today. All those iron factories are now ruins. We're starting to climb up towards the valley, and already below us here there's some ruins. These are old paper factories. There's an asparagus. Fabrizio here is the king of foraging in Positano. He knows everything that you can eat in the mountainside, and now he's giving me wild asparagus, which is nice but bitter. Now we're starting to come across some of the old abandoned factories. They're right in the bottom of the valley here, but there's a very big one coming up, but you can go inside if you're brave enough. Se fosse una volta. Okay, let's go down. I've been left behind. Aspettatemi! Dove siete? Ooh, yeah, that's safe. Found the way out. It was scary, but fun. So these are the old ironwork factories. They're gothic arches. Up until now we hadn't seen any people, but suddenly they're everywhere. Once upon a time we used to come up here and we would be the only people, but this valley has been discovered, and that's why I'm filming it today, because it's not a secret anymore. Fabrizio has made a wild asparagus omelette. Yum! So we stopped to have lunch by this lovely little pond here, and we are also waiting for the organised group tours to come down, because it's a dead end further up there, so we're waiting for a few people to come down, so it'll be a bit quieter when we go up. I think we've timed it quite well. It's now just gone 1 o'clock and everybody seems to have come down and left the valley empty for us. This is the gateway to the Jurassic Valley. si può passare là? Oh my god, she keeps tripping, she's scaring me. Right, I cannot film and climb, so I'm gonna have to turn it off for a minute. Oh my god, I can't believe I just climbed up that. That was absolutely terrifying. And now Fabrizio is miles away. So this is what he's brought me here to see. So if you want to do the hike like we did today, you need to get to Amalfi, you can catch a ferry or a bus to Amalfi, and then just walk up the main street away from the sea and you'll see the signs to the Valle delle Ferriere. Or you can catch a bus up to Scala, get off at Minuta and walk down from there. Back in Amalfi, and here's a quick tip. This is my favourite place to get ice creams in Amalfi. Just walking back to our scooters, and Gloria's just bumped into somebody she knows there. I don't think the woman actually looked at me because she asked me if I was Gloria and Fabrizio's daughter. I feel really bad for Gloria now. That's really offensive. She would have had me when she was like 7 years old or something.